As part of the process, I'm going to balance the wheel, obviously. I'm also going to do a check balance beforehand, and I'm going to do a balance of the rim on its own without the tire on it, just to find out if there's a heavy spot on the tire. Then I'll just mark that heavy spot, and that's where the yellow dot on the tire is going to end up, at the heavy spot of the rim, not necessarily by the valve. So this is the little portable balancer. This is how it comes. The base in there, it's got the rod over the other side, and this piece that goes on top. And to assemble this, most people don't have a wrench this side. It was about 1.25 inches, so I've just used an adjustable. Just clamped up on it, tightened it up from this side, and it was fine. It doesn't have to be that tight, but just tight enough so it doesn't wobble when you grab a hold of it. So this is how the bubble balancer works. You're supposed to get this bubble into the center of that bullseye. It's off a little bit, and if you turn it around and around, it follows the offness of the actual weighted top piece here, the balancer. So they have, this is on springs, it's spring loaded. As you can see, I'm pushing it down there. So you adjust screws however it is to get the bubble in the middle, and then it's good to go. Okay, so I'm holding it as close as I can. You can see the bubbles in the middle of the bullseye now. Ready to go. So it goes on the tire balancer. Put it on gently. And there's the first tire, and that's pretty well right in the middle. I'll give it a little wobble. That way you can see the bubble move. Yeah, that's pretty well in the middle. A tiny bit off. Very good.